In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Brave Private Browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a private window in Brave, start your research, and keep an important tab pinned so it stays easy to find and hard to close by mistake. Begin by opening the Brave browser on your computer. If it isn't already running, launch it like you would any other app. Once Brave is open, look toward the top right corner of the window for the browser menu. Click it, then choose New Private Window. This opens a separate window designed specifically for privacy, so you can focus on a task without mixing it into your regular browsing session. Here's a quick refresher on what that means. A private window won't save your browsing history, cookies, site data, or anything you type into forms once you close the window. It's perfect for one-off research, signing into a site without carrying over your normal session, or checking results that aren't influenced by your existing cookies. Keep in mind that private browsing does not make you invisible online. It simply prevents that session from being stored on your device. Think of it as a clean workspace that disappears when you're done. With your private window open, you can start your research. Click into the address bar at the top, type your search terms or paste a web address, and press enter. Your results or the site you choose will open in a tab along the top of the private window. As you navigate, each page you open appears as its own tab, which makes switching between sources fast and simple. If you're gathering information, this setup helps you keep related pages in one place without mixing them into your everyday browsing. Now let's make sure your most important page is always within reach. Find the tab you want to keep handy along the top of the private window. Right-click on that tab to open its menu, then click Pin. You'll see the tab shrink down to show just the site's icon and move to the left side of the tab bar. That visual change is your cue that it's pinned and anchored. Pinning a tab keeps that page steady. It's harder to close by accident, it takes up less space, and it stays in the same spot on the left even as you open new tabs during your research. If you're comparing sources or returning to a reference page often, pinning keeps it one click away without clutter. That's all there is to it. Open Brave, start a private window from the top right, begin your research, and right-click the tab you care about to pin it. Enjoy a more organized, focused, and efficient private browsing session.